Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive's slow upload speed. So, if your files are uploading painfully slow to Google Drive, there are a few things that usually cause it, and I'll show you how to fix that. So, this method also works for Android and other devices. So, the first thing to check is your battery settings. So, go and open Settings app, scroll down to Battery. Scroll down and look for low power mode or power mode and tap on that. If you see low power mode, make sure it is switched off. Now, when low power mode is enabled, your phone reduces performance and internet activity to save battery, which can make Google Drive uploads much lower than normal. So make sure to turn this off, just like so. Once done, go back to the main settings page and tap on Wi Fi. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi Fi network. So, if your Wi Fi signal is weak or unstable, Google Drive may struggle to upload large files. In that case, try turning Wi Fi off, or you can switch to your mobile data connection just to test if the upload becomes faster. Next, go back to the main settings again and scroll down to General. Tap on that. Next, look for VPN and device management. Tap on that. This part is important because VPNs often reroute your internet traffic through different servers, which can seriously reduce upload speed. So check if that says not connected. If a VPN is active, disconnect or remove it before uploading to Google Drive again. Now, once you've done all that, go back to Google Drive and see if that solves your problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching.